Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial, we're going to reveal to you how you can add a bubble text to your document on Google Docs. So let us get started right away. Head over to your document on Google Docs. Let me just delete that example text here and start all over. So place the cursor where I'd like to add the bubble text to. So I can go with that line here. And what you want to do next, guys, is click on insert here at the top, hover your mouse over drawing and click into plus new here to the right. After that, you will be redirected to the drawing tool here in Google Docs. So what you want to do is click on that arrow down icon next to actions and select word art and type in your example text. Let me go, for example, with bubble text or something like this for the sake of this tutorial. Press enter on your keyboard to confirm that. That is going to add the bubble text to your drawing tool here. So what you want to do next, guys, is customize it. For example, you may apply a custom font by clicking on Arial or on that arrow down icon next to it and by selecting the impact font. And after that, you may also customize the color of your font. For example, the border color, let me go, for example, with bright yellow, and with the fill color here, something like orange. And that's basically it. Once you're content, guys, simply click on save and close here at the top, or apply, for example, italic letters and so on and so forth, for bold letters. And once that's done, click on save and close here in the top right corner to add the bubble text to your document. And as you can see, there it is. You may click onto it with your left mouse and click on edit here to access the drawing tool again to keep customizing it. And that's how it works in practice, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video, got some value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.